Hey you guys, it is Wednesday. I'm so happy that I get to spend some time with you this morning. Let's go ahead and say good morning to each other. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you this morning? I am fine, I hope you are too. I am fine, I hope you are too. I am fine, I hope you are too. Hope you are too this morning. Turn to your neighbor and give them a smile. Turn to your neighbor and give them a smile. Turn to your neighbor and give them a smile. Give a smile this morning. All right, so I have some really cool things to do today for Circle Time. First, I have this book to review our letters. We are going to learn a little bit more about space because of this book and like different things that are out in space while reviewing our letters. So that's really cool. And then I wanted to show you guys Titus's planet and his planet report that he made. So my son Titus is in kindergarten, so he did a little bit more. I made him write it himself. But if you guys make a planet report, you guys can have your parents write it, or maybe you could write some of the smaller words if you're really ambitious. And then we still have to do our calendar and such. So, but first we're going to read this book and do our letter review. All right. A is for astronaut. B is for black hole. I'm curious what a black hole is. A black hole is formed when a very large star runs out of energy and collapses. Ooh, that sounds kind of crazy. C is for comet. A comet is a ball of ice and dust. When a comet moves close to the sun, it can form a long, bright tail. Uh-oh, my pages are stuck. D is for dwarf planet, like Pluto. E is for Earth, of course. F is for flare, like a flare on the sun. G is for galaxy. H is for Hubble. Hubble Space Telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope is a powerful telescope that moves in space and takes pictures of planets and stars and galaxies. That's really cool. I is for Io, I think, which is one of Jupiter's moons. J is for Jupiter, which is the biggest planet. K is for Kepler spacecraft. L is for lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse occurs when the sun and the earth and the moon line up, and it causes the earth's shadow to cover the moon, and then the moon looks red. That's really cool. M is for moon. N is for nebula. A nebula is a cloud of dust and gas in space. O is for orbit. All the planets are orbiting around the sun. P is for planet. Q is for quasar. Do you guys remember when we learned about Q and I told you that Q always has a buddy? The U? Every Q word has a U. And look, quasar. Quasars are very bright objects that are in the center of very distant galaxies. R is for rocket. S is for supernova. A supernova is an explosion of a star. Whoa. T is for telescope, and that's our letter this week. U is for Uranus, which is one of the planets. V is for Voyager. Voyager 1 is a space probe that was launched in 1977 to study the outer solar system. It is the most distant human-made object in space. That's pretty cool. W is for white dwarf. A white dwarf is a star that has run out of energy. But I guess it's different from a black hole. X is for X-ray binary. X-ray binary is a pair of stars where one star is collapsed and it pulls material off of the other star. Whoa, do you see that? It's like pulling it. Or I guess this one's probably pulling from that one. It takes its energy. Cool. Y is for yellow dwarf and Z is for zenith, which is the point directly over your head when you're standing outside. That's the zenith. Pretty cool. All right, actually, let me show you Titus's planet. If you watched the video, our little craft video, you saw him make this, and then he decided to draw, I think this is outer space, and these are supposed to be all of its moons. And then this is his planet report that he made. He decided to name his planet Twinkle Toes Ninja. And he said that his planet has robots and lava living on it, and that his planet can transform into a robot. And some fun facts, it has 37 moons. So that's what he decided his planet has. Kind of silly. All right, let's go ahead and do our calendar. Do I need to, yeah, I probably need to adjust this. Maybe I can just set it up here and then we don't have to, I might have to play with it for a minute. All right, that should be good. Hopefully it's not too blurry. All right, so we are still in the month of March and we're gonna add 2 numbers because we did not see each other yesterday, right? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 was yesterday, and then 25 is going to be today. And we still have our pattern, our ABB pattern. And so let's see, what is the number 24 going to be? Black, red, red, black, red, red for 24. Here it is. And then we're gonna do black for 25, which is today. 25. All right, 25 is kind of a big number, so I don't want to do anything too tiring. What should we do? Maybe let's just clap. Is that okay? I know it's not very fun, but that'll be good for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Nice. And then let's see if you guys can tell me the day of the week yesterday was and the day of the week tomorrow is going to be. Remember, today's Wednesday. So let's think really hard. Put your thinking caps on and think of our song. If today is Wednesday, what was yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday. Tuesday, Wednesday, and then what's tomorrow gonna be? Think, think, think. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Tomorrow's gonna be Thursday. Good job. Let's sing the 7 days one. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, and let's sing our months of the year song too. Let's sing it really fast as you can. Ready? Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Woo! Did you guys do it? That was really fast. Let's sing it as slowly as we can. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Woo! All right, so we did our calendar. We need to talk about the seasons. Do you guys remember what the 4 seasons are? There's 4 of them. There's winter, spring, summer, and fall. Did you guys get them right? So we are in the season of spring. Did you guys notice the weather so far in spring? It's been really rainy, hasn't it? Today is beautiful so far. It is sunny and pretty and it's kind of hot, isn't it? Which is nice. And it's probably gonna help all of those pretty flowers bloom and all of the little animals are gonna start to come out, the little bugs and insects, butterflies, which is really fun. And so we're gonna get to do some nature walks coming up soon. Maybe you guys have already been on a nature walk to see what's coming out for spring. All right, I think that's all we got for today. Me and Titus we have a shadow puppet show to do. And you guys can make some shadow puppets at home if you want to. It's really easy. We just printed off some images and we cut them out and put them on popsicle sticks. And we're gonna show you an idea of something that would be fun to do at home that has to do with space. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.